Hello and welcome. My name is Dylan Friedoff. I'm a solution engineer with Talend Software. I'm here to talk about the Talend Metadata Bridge. This is an import tool that allows you to take metadata from many other ETL tools, metadata tools, and also database tools, and import them directly into Talend to leverage work that you've already done in those products. So to use Talend's Metadata Manager, the Studio by default does not have it installed. Underneath the help, you can install external software. By selecting on that, choosing the default URL for the update, and get rid of the group items, you'll see a list of items that you can install. Now, since I already have it installed, it is not listed here. But if you do not have it installed yet, you would select that, hit next, and walk through the process of getting it installed. Once you have the Metadata Manager bridge installed, under the File, Import, you will see this metadata bridge item listed underneath the imports. By selecting that, it will give you access to import from many different ETL tools that the metadata bridge understands, all the way from data stage, Informatica. When I look at the drop down here, you can see the list of different items that we can import from is quite extensive. Oracle, SAP, Teradata, Unicorn, all listed there. Now, you can also do a few different styles of Informatica, and that's the exercise that we're going to look at today. One is the Informatica developer, and one's the Informatica Power Center file. The developer actually requires that you have the installation of the application, which I do not. So we're just going to use the Informatica Power Center file. First thing we need to do is choose the XML file that represents that file. And now the bridge will go through, it'll ask a few questions as far as date formatting, and that'll run through importing all the items from the Informatica file. After hitting the finish button, it will proceed to import all the workflows. And now you can see within my studio, it created all the mappings, workflows, and worklets. If you quickly look at the different mappings, these are what are considered in Talend to be jobs. They provide the inputs from the data sources, any of the transformations along line, maybe some aggregations that happen during the process, and lastly, exporting the information out to the destination database. If we go to the workflows and worklets, these are about process flow. So in this particular one, you can see that there's a sub-process for getting a CSV to load staging and data warehouse information. And they're actually calling worklets. And these worklets are very complex flows from all the different mappings that were imported from the Informatica job. So as you can see, Talend has the ability to import not only the transformations but the process flow from external data sources through the Talend Metadata Bridge, including Data Stage, SAP, Informatica, and a whole bunch of others. So if you're currently using Talend Open Source Studio to do your ETL and you want to be able to leverage this product on other projects that use different tools and want a big jump start, please look into Talend Enterprise offering that includes the Talend Metadata Bridge to give you this big start.